The course on Global Studies has been offered at the University of Cantabria to students from Eunice universities. So the cultural element becomes really important. There are students from different countries working and living together. They have been living with families here in Santander.
Discovering a new culture, meet people from all over Europe, all over the world.
To know the culture better, to know how the way of life is in Spain. They have dinner pretty late, so it's around 10:30, but I was actually aware of that, and also that having the conversations with the host family, I came to know about San Fermin and people running after the bulls, and also Tomatina.
So I enrolled in these courses because I'm actually an assistant teacher in the University of Mons, and so I thought courses related to globalization and to global studies would be interesting to try and find a way to implement the elements learned during those courses.
I believe the thing that has impacted me the most about this course was the interrelationship we could see between the different topics and different concepts. It has not only been an international course, but a multidisciplinary course. The teachers have been able to find a relationship and show it to us, which I believe is essential in a globalized world.
All professors have different backgrounds, and that's why I think very interesting. We talk about science, economics, or literature, and I didn't expect that. I would recommend this experience. I think it really broadens your perspective.